In this video guide we will show you how to use Ticklr to support your tickling session using a timed session option. Open Ticklr from the desktop or in the Start menu. The program will load and ask the tickler what type of session they would like. There are two types of session to choose from. The first is single method selection. In this mode, Ticklr will only allow each selected tickling method to be chosen once, and then removes that method from the list. The session ends when all tickle methods have been chosen. The second option is a timed session. In this mode, a total time limit is specified and the session ends when the timer counts down to 0. In this demo guide we are going to choose the timed session. A window opens so the duration of the session can be entered. This is the total time from when the first tickle method is chosen to when the session will end, and runs alongside the timers for each tickle method. We are going to set this to 30 minutes. The chosen time is displayed on the right-hand side. The tickler is then presented with various options to customize their session. We are going to start by choosing which tickle methods are being included in this session. The options you see in this list are the pre-installed options, but can be added to, edited, or removed if required. That is explained in another instructional video if you would like further information on that feature. The tickler selects as many or as few options from this list. The tickler then decides what their minimum and maximum limits will be for the duration of each tickle method. In this example we are going to set the minimum limit to 2 minutes and the maximum limit to 6 minutes. This means for each selected tickle method the possible duration could be 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 minutes long. The tickler then decides if they want to have the option of a safe word during the session. A safe word is a particular word or phrase the tickler can say to tell the tickler they want to take a break or for them to stop the tickling. A safe word is better than relying on a tickler saying no or stop, because that doesn't always mean they want to take a break or end the session. Click the box next to safe word and enter the desired word or phrase using your keyboard or on-screen keyboard. Press enter or click the tick button to save the safe word. In our demo, audio feedback has been turned on, so you will hear confirmation of the word, like this.
The safe word is rabbit.
The tickler checks all the options are set as they wish and then they tap or click the button in the middle to lock their selections and start the session. The device is then handed over to the tickler, who should check they have all the required equipment based on the tickle methods selected in the list on the right-hand side. When ready to begin, the tickler chooses Select Tickle Method.
Session timer started. 30 minutes.
The application cycles through all of the selected tickle methods and chooses one at random.
Pinwheel.
It then cycles through all the possible durations based on the limits set and chooses how long the tickle method will be used for.
4 minutes or say rabbit.
A window opens with the selected tickle method and the duration. Choose Start and the timer will count down.
4 minutes timer started.
With audio feedback on, you will hear reminders of how long is remaining at 1 minute, like this.
1 minute remaining.
And at 30 seconds, like this.
30 seconds remaining.
That gives the tickler the ability to increase the intensity towards the end if desired. When the timer counts down to 0, audio and visual feedback are provided so the tickler knows to stop.
Time is up.
Close the selected tickle method window and get ready for the next selection. Notice the method that was just chosen is still in the list of possible tickle methods. The next tickle method can be selected by choosing Select Tickle Method.
Brush. 3 minutes or say rabbit.
We have skipped forward in this demo towards the remaining few seconds of the session.
3 minutes timer started.
Keep selecting tickle methods until the session timer reaches 0. Any currently selected method will be cancelled and the session will end.
End of session. The time limit of 1 minute is up.
Ticklr restarts and is ready for a new session to be set up. See our other video guides for help using the software if required.